In this training video, I'm going to demonstrate a new capability with HLS, and that is being able to drop PNG file effects either on a matrix or on a megatree. I'm going to use a matrix for this example. I simply went out and went on the internet and I said search for 48 by 48 PNG files, and I got JPEGs back. So then I had to go to another place and convert them from JPEG to PNGs. But I got 4 of them. So I'm going to show you. I know 48 by 48 may be pretty big for some of what you're doing, but this is just a tutorial, and it's just to show you how to set up a matrix fairly quickly, get it previewing, and drop your effects. We can do the whole thing in probably 4 minutes. Okay, so we have our sequence up. We come to Manage Channels, and we go to Manage Pixel Plane Channels. And we want to add a new matrix. We're using the top one. This one will automatically create all of our channels, name them, and everything else. So we want a 48 by 48 pixel plane. And we're just going to call this an Xmas PP. Okay? They are now created. Next thing we need to do is adjust. For preview, we have to assign preview groups and channels. So here's our Christmas pixel plane. We click on that and it will expand out. Now if you slide over, here's your preview group and number. If these are zeros, it will not show up on the preview. So we select the top one, we hold the left mouse down and we drag. And we're pulling all of these in. And we back up. Now we come down here to preview group and number. I already have a pixel plane, so I want to make sure I'm out of its range. So I'm going to start this group at 101, and each string is 64 deep. And there we go. So we have our universes, and we have our number of channels per universe. We save that. Last thing we have to do is we have to assign physical channels to our pixel plane, so we can do a mapping. So we come up here and we hit our Christmas pixel plane, and we're going to do an auto assign. We're going to click this very top cell. So you identify the cell by making sure the column or the row is selected, and then you click. It doesn't do anything, but you know you got that one cell. Come up here and assign sequentially, and we're going to use the default, which is a vertical matrix from the bottom to the top. But you can come down here and easily select horizontal matrix. When we do this, then we select where we start, and now it's going to sequentially lay them out. So if you notice, down here at the bottom, it started out with string 1, pixel 1, and that string went all the way to the top, and then it started on 2, came up to the top, and it did it for all 64 strings. As far as HLS goes, it is ready to do anything you want with this pixel plane. Let's go ahead and add it to my existing display group. I have a display group called Matrix. I'm only showing a matrix pixel plane there. So we're going to take that and we're going to add something to it. So we come down here and we go to Modify List. It's going to present all of our channels. We're simply going to add the other pixel plane to our display group. It will be right on the top of the pixel plane. There's a lot of stuff. There we go. So we put a check mark. That is the pixel plane. We save it. And now you know we have our pixel plane out there. Last thing we want to do is show it on our preview. So we're going to edit our preview. I'm going to pick my preview. It's this preview that I'm working on. And here's the preview. Here's another pixel plane that I had earlier. We're going to create a new pixel plane. Here we come to Matrix, and we come over here, and we decide, hey, that's how big, that's where we want our matrix. We hit the space bar, and that says put it there. If you notice, this looks quite a bit different. We name it. We're going to call this Xmas pixel plane, and we select which pixel plane we're going to associate with this. We're going to associate that pixel plane. And that is it. That's all you do. It is totally associated now. You hit save. It is now complete. We exit out. Are you sure? So let's drop some effects and then we'll look at the preview. New capability is you put your mouse right here where you want the effect to start, and you right click and you come down here and it says add PNG effect to pixel plane. You click on it. Now it's going to give you, we're up in our Nutcracker folder. Let's put the snowman first. So we put Mr. Snowman. Now if you notice, it comes out too wide. So just click on the tail and then you can pull it. And we'll make Snowman that long. Now we'll give it a break and we're going to click on another one. And let's we'll add bells this time. Let me come over here. And I'm hitting the arrow key and we'll go bells that far. I'm going to hit the page. Now I'm going to right click here. And we're going to add another one, which is going to be, let's do presents. And we click on it, we pull it out. And the last one we're going to do is cat in a hat. We didn't do that one. So we're going to pull over cat in a hat. We're going to stop it there. Okay? Let us compile for our preview. She's off and running. There it is. And now when I hit this, because I'm on my development system, it disappears real quick. So when I hit play, it's going to pop up real quick. So here we go. And there's our snowman. There's our bells. There's our present. And there's our cat in a hat.
In all the world of music.
And that is what you have. You can go out and use your own paint. You got a smaller matrix, you can type text like Merry Christmas or do whatever. So it is a static matrix or megatree effect that doesn't rotate, doesn't change, and will exist there as long as you want it. All you do is adjust the timing of the effect, and that's how long it stays. I hope you enjoy this new capability. Christmas is coming up. Have fun. Bye.